share Julie Juu TV. Said ya name can yes, who share Julie Juu TV. About more dear, subscribe to your channel, like and not share. Who you are my comment. Me say who yes sir. I am me day. Emma me more of him. Emma me mora. Na boost me immune system no. Ama me ma holding that I program for Eddie Bro. Yeah, that's why I will Ghana party in the park 2024. Sabre, ya do for I pay angel for the yani omo ya nkwanya omochi ya duru omo nchen. Afi we 2024. Ya pese ade a de foforo ana bibia pay angel for e wode maye no. Omo nka na do for Ghana for nyina montie. Sabre ya wado for mienu wa ha. Ti ebekọ omo nchen. Ani omo akwa akotwetwe nkomo. Ma me ya ma wakwa babati Julie Juu TV so.
Bidase.
Okay.
Yeah, from me Edna, me age more pay angel. Pay angel, yeah, Ghana ni na Nidia. Na yeah, money sending company, so person sending sika and come out for our Ghana, obey me a so pay angel. Rate no so emuyedu, correct pa. A sign contem. Into when we say abebre a bruso, na then my idea no a dance. Inti we are transaction e bia when you challenge bi now per se on friend na ni obi enkasa nia wo no how fast na ya omotie o anasa se wonya issue a utimi kan wasamacho pay angel say wonya issue bia anasa wankasa crown ni mobile money no na nim se nia be transaction na wo de frɛ en wo ye phone no so wo frɛ en a ye my telephone services ye no be fast and your person best and news can your best and your kwamawa yente wo hwe charges bia so enim ekọ terms of pa na ni jesam ne say yenko so na so register pay angel na your mouth 3 insurance free life insurance for 3 of your family members unya we wo bebia na hia ne saudi ebosomi ni na no send £100 come our busuafo e wo fie na nya free life insurance cover e wo pay angel ne so be that say
Leda wasiwaka sa bebre minu abema eduru so utimi so opese ode brofo fam a obetimi so ade brofo kakra fam na wacheche mu akira amanfo so wonye ya comfortable so obetimi agya no account twi nti de opese o kan bia kan na de opese ode ka ho bia fa ka ho ne.
Okay, abusiafo amotie me frɛ me adosi pokoko fankon sɛ de mo amono no Ghana fo ene abehia mu ha ye be program no sɛ de mini aba de kai no waka bibia kama na emom no obi ofia na adwebe ya ne se ye wo UK mamunti UK for nkwa na betima use pay angel no entisa baby biara wo amanaman biara so America so Canada so Australia munyina mo qualify say mo betimi use pay angel no so who send iska free pay angel so a quick and easy unya stress bia o boss wa na ekọ na afa so dem nya ba ne kan no insurance odwen ho no no wadwen obusu ani be ho odwen ho no wadwen o ma ho o ma me ho papa etwe no a full package ani akabom Ghana ni na atnas no wadwen Ghana fo ho na odi aba abonten etime sre obi biara abonten say obejoin ni pay angel team no na ono abehu de ewom yentwa wontro bibia edam soko medam ase.
Se obi a new person na opese odi pay angel aya adwuma opese odi ye transfer ekwan ben so na obefa obeye because obi o ha enne ya ye kasa ya na wate pay angel din o hwe ye ya enti me pese o kira no kwan ya obefa so a obe download app no na afi wa start aya ne transfer.
Okay, inti se wo call app store while you use iPhone no call app store and also call Play Store, Google Play Store, Android phone, Okoha, Uber Pay Angel, money transfer, Obe Huo, a green, and white and black. Sasania, Yaya or Matari, Mube Hubel say, send money to Ghana. No, I download you or Uber register, Uber phone number. With details I here now are providing in we are now Democrat, now where you so app on the IO transaction. Be that say.
Who will be out the back of
if I chose a pay angel no download the app on Play Store and I say App Store la we also be app on this one numbers be was just in case if you unya problem be was obet my contact number no a quick service and to text or more na problem be will be no best of yama kama madam ase
enti say afutu obe pa na ode ma omo abrochire fo nyina say app no bebre aba bebre wo ho afuto be na ade magana for na app be pan so na apeso mu nyusu nya o transfer.
Okay, we dia ye die mu. Eye Ghana ni na ne dia. Nti ye who download the now sign support say eye Ghana or mine because near returns na enya wo mu ni na eye mine Ghana na ye de boa. Efe so no pay angel no ye say wo transfer ne be contem. Ebe sign rate no so ye okay. Efe so no nya issue bia na friend ya we are just a minute call away. Ye bejo so na ya boa aye ni a wo pay bia so e de amount. Answer na no so no sani amidi kan life insurance cover na wo so no unya wo baby because untua share for it eye free ne hia ne say wo be send £100 e wo bosumi no mu na 3 of your dependents on wo Ghana no they are covered inti ano na my dance we are eye free for you. It's an added value for you, so use Pay Angel now, download it and enjoy. Smile, send smiles home as well. Thank you.
Oh bibi abeka kan
But I said my colleague na kani na eti obi biara wabonte ladies who demand them. The person who join the Pay Angel no and your life will be easier. Thank you.
And yet shadow for some shadow for nothing. Yeah, obia wo don bia Ghana wa betia wa so ko wan yo.
But I say me chia me mama o fie o UK here. Your friend ya fosti.
Oh, yeah, for see no.
Mommy is out here o hwa me a. We must say hello. Any mother fu a mo Ghana nyina me chia obi biara. Ta fufuo nyina salute. Thank you.
So chia wa da for.
Okay, see, Mr. Michelle Mebusia for more Harriet, Alison, Aaron, Munina, Midomuye, Parmidamasi, Miss Sanchia, my for a Coforidia Fonina, Yankopon Insura Munina, Minafu Fonina, Yankopon Shramina, Yadinchaka, CNF, UK, her Emma Munina, so with that was it.
The patch they chat to no. We should be someone Mikuta, your flyer and EB. It is a wabonte. That's a call App Store, Play Store. That's a download the app now. A patch on why I know why you use promo code no highest. But you download the app now. Why you use promo code highest? No, we die we mo Madam Asibebre.
Yo, many anom ne adofo se Matthew. Aye, what the akoso? One say Pay Angel. In fact, me you should be Pay Angel. You should be. Eye kama. Inti sa open app. E dia sani sika akoma wa dofo e wo Ghana dia. Men twa Pay Angel money transfer angel. But modia ko Google Play any App Store. Ko download Pay Angel app. Na fei questions ka create no baby so end 5 minutes in po. O fele wie ya eno ano no yankonko a na dem Pay Angel so minim me ya sisi apa na ko enti bomodia na onso for Pay Angel money transfer eye adwuma ya dem ase bebre mo obi bi ka biom ana eno ano no ene na ahaya ena Julie Juu TV ya dem obesie e ma o remfi se ube subscribe to Julie Juu TV ewo YouTube, TikTok Julie Juu TV, Facebook follow ya ewo Julie Juu TV and na Instagram so follow Julie Juu TV. Ya da masi bebre Ghana Party in the Park 2024. Die kwa subia ya di ni nyina bebre mo. Ya da masi bebre. Adafo mama mo bye bye. Bye.